Hello students, today we will study a new topic, types of lines. At first we will see parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines on the same plane that never meet, no matter how far they extend it. They are always the same distance apart. So these lines are like this. It can be horizontal, vertical or diagonal. This symbol is used to show is parallel to. For example, AB is parallel to CD. So how will we write it? We will write it as AB. Line AB is parallel to line CD. In the next example, line PQ is parallel to RS. So how will we write it? We will write it as line PQ is parallel to, the symbol of parallel to, and line RS. So this sentence is line PQ is parallel to line RS. So some examples of parallel lines in everyday life. Railway tracks, you might have seen railway tracks, and opposite edges of the table, these two sides of your scale, and so many examples are there. We can recognize parallel lines in 2D shapes as well, like in this rectangle ABCD. This AB is parallel to CD, like this. AC is parallel to BD. Next example, rhombus PQRS. This PQ is parallel to RS. QR is parallel to PS. QR is parallel to PS. Second type of lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other at a point. For example, LN and NO are intersecting lines. Line PQ and line RS are intersecting each other at point O. The letter X is also example of an example of intersecting line segments. Now we'll see what are the perpendicular lines. When two intersecting lines meet to form right angles, they are called perpendicular lines. The symbol opposite T is the symbol for is perpendicular to. Suppose we have to write line AB is perpendicular to line CD. So how will we write? We'll write it as AB is perpendicular to CD. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Next example, if we have to write line ST is perpendicular to line LN, so how will we write? We'll write line ST is perpendicular to line LM. We can recognize perpendicular lines in 2D shapes as well. Like the first one shape, it is square, and we all know that all the angles of square are 90 degree. So we have to identify the perpendicular lines in these shapes. The first one shape, this DC, this AD is parallel to DC. So how will we write? AD is perpendicular to DC, like this. BC is also perpendicular to CD. BC BC is perpendicular to CD. Like this line BA is also perpendicular to AB. So how will we write? DA is perpendicular to AB. Now this CB is also perpendicular to BA. These are the perpendicular lines in the shape ABCD, which is square. Now we are going to the second example. Quadrilateral LMNO is given here. In this, angle MNO is 90 degree. So we have only one 90 degree here. So it is a line segment MN is perpendicular to line segment NO. So we will write MN is perpendicular to NO. So see this exercise. Using appropriate symbol, express the relationship between pairs of perpendicular and parallel lines in the following diagram. So first diagram is this. This is one square. We have to write the pairs of perpendicular and parallel. So first we will write the perpendicular pairs. PR is perpendicular to RS, like this. QS is perpendicular to SR, like this. RP is perpendicular to PQ. SQ is perpendicular to QP. Now parallel lines. PQ and RS are parallel, so we will write PQ is parallel to RS, like this. PR is parallel to QS. PR is parallel to QS. Second example, triangle XYZ, which is a right angle triangle. One angle is right angle in this. So in this line segment, YZ is perpendicular to ZX, and there is no pair of parallel lines. The third example, hexagon ABCDEF. In this, as you can see, there is no perpendicular line, no pair of perpendicular lines. So we'll go to the parallel line. So AB is parallel to line segment AB is parallel to ED. Like this, BC is parallel to EF, is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to FA. So children, you must have understood the topic types of lines, and I hope the video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.